Welcome to Shoviv Software Private Limited. The Shoviv Exchange BKF recovery is the best utility to recover the exchange data files from Symantec, Veritas, Symantec, HP, and CARC serve backup files. It supports all versions of Windows operating system. The software download link is in the description below. Firstly, add backup files, which you can browse from your system. Then click on Save from Tree. Now, browse the folder to restore the recovered Exchange, EDB, log, and STM files with the original folder hierarchy. The demo version will restores selected file formats. For any sales-related query, mail us at sales@shoviv.com. For any support-related query, mail us at support@shoviv.com. And to contact us, visit www.shoviv.com/contact us. Thanks for watching.